Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to manage Instagram's access to your files on your PC. Follow these simple steps to enhance your privacy and control over your data. Start by opening Instagram.com in your web browser. Once the Instagram website loads, look for the padlock icon located next to the web address. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select View Site Information. A window will pop up displaying various site details. Find and click on the Site Settings option. This will take you to a page where you can adjust how the Instagram website interacts with your device. In the Site Settings, scroll down to the Permissions section. Here, you'll see a list of permissions related to file access. Customize these permissions according to your preferences. You have the flexibility to allow or block Instagram from accessing your files on your PC. To enable or disable Instagram's access to your files, simply toggle the permissions as needed. You can choose to grant access to specific files while restricting access to others, giving you full control over your data. Once you've set your preferences, remember to save your changes. This ensures that your settings are applied each time you visit Instagram on your PC. By managing these permissions effectively, you can protect your files and maintain your privacy while using Instagram. Empower yourself with the tools to safeguard your data and control how Instagram interacts with your PC. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you navigate Instagram's file access settings and empowers you to make informed decisions about your privacy and security online. Stay informed, stay in control, and keep your data safe.